In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to create an attachment to your VDRope component. Now, this can be done in one of two ways. First, I can do it right here within the editor. So, if I select this cube, and I drag this and I bring it up, as long as the option in my rope actor, is set to attach to rigids, and my cube right here has a collision of default or block all, and I press play, the cube will act as an attachment to the rope, which is kind of nice. You'll notice that each segment works on its own, and that this is not messing with this. Now, if I wanted to, I can also just add it within my actor component. So, if I just come over here, grab the cube, bring it in, and drag it out here, making sure that my collision set to block all, compile, press play. There you go. And that's how you can easily add an attachment to your rope system.